Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
Spreadsheets can either be consolidated by category or physical position. When you create a spreadsheet that's consolidated by category, the row and column headings that you select when you make your references become the categories by which Excel will know how to organize the data in the final consolidated spreadsheet. So for example, if you're consolidating by months or by weeks, as long as you use the same exact headings for each one of the pieces of data that you would like to consolidate, then you can choose to consolidate by category. This allows Excel to use the headings to consolidate even if they aren't in the same order in each different sheet from which you're consolidating. When you consolidate by category, it's also going to be important that we select the row and column headings in addition to the data which we want to consolidate, so that Excel can consolidate based on the actual column and row names. Excel will use the labels at the top of the columns and at the left of the rows, and this is a must when you consolidate by category. You can also consolidate spreadsheets by position. In this case, Excel doesn't care what the titles of the rows or columns are. All Excel will look at is where the data in the spreadsheet is by its physical position. So you should use spreadsheets that have the data you'd like to consolidate in the same position in each consolidated sheet in order for that to work properly. And in this case, Excel would simply perform consolidation of the data based on its physical location or cell addresses within the spreadsheet. Let's take a look at creating one by category. Here we have an example of regions, which are the different tabs, and how they did for their first quarter. So once again, we go to the Totals tab where we'd like to see the consolidation appear. And you select the cell where you'd like to see the results display first. Then you go to Data and then choose Consolidate from the menu bar and choose your function that you'd like to see from the function drop-down. For the reference box, click the little red, white, and blue button at the right end to collapse it down to a single line, and then make your selection of the first consolidation range by just clicking and dragging over the cells. Note that if you're going to do it by category, you must include the labels. Click the red, white, and blue button again to expand the Consolidate dialog box, and click the Add button at the right side to add it to the All References section. At that point, we repeat the process, making sure that we are adding all the necessary references from all the sheets we'd like to consolidate into the All References section. In order to consolidate by categories, once you've added all the necessary references, in the lower left corner of the Consolidate dialog box, you can check to use the labels in the top row and left column of the selections, and those become the categories by which you'll consolidate. When you're ready, go ahead and click OK to view your consolidated data.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.